Happy Friday out there, Team 42. It's your skipper here, Darius Dale, to present our macro minute for Friday, May 24th, 2024. As always, we'll start with the executive summary from today's leadoff morning note. If you would like to see the analysis of supporting these conclusions, as well as what to specifically do about them in your portfolio, you need to be a client of 42 Macro. So today's key macro events are hawkish PMI beat in the U.S. and dovish inflation data in Japan. So the market implications there is the hawkish May PMI data renewed fears of a no landing and risk a liquidity draining rally in the U.S. dollar. Our risk management signals and fundamental outlook are at odds on where the U.S. dollar heads from here. When in doubt, we trust our risk management signals, which support a stronger dollar. Elsewhere, the BOJ was right to take a cautious approach to normalizing policy, but that does not mean investors should play for a catch-up trade in Japanese equities. The best strategy is to remain long and be ready to sell on a downgrade in our VAMs and or market regime signals, or do nothing to the extent you are not already invested. Transitioning to our 42 macro dashboard, as always, we'll wrap up with a question from our community. This one's regarding shelter disinflation. It says, "Hi Darius, good morning. In today's lit up morning note, you made mention of the likely accelerated shelter disinflation in the coming months. Question: does shelter disinflation refer to reduction in home prices, or is it a reference to rents, or both? Thank you." Rather than myself answer the question, I'll just read you an answer to the question from another client. It reads, he simply means the shelter component part of CPI is showing signs of deceleration, although still positive growth month over month, as evidenced from the latest CPI report. So that is correct. And the reason I wanted to highlight that response is because I wanted to highlight the value of our community. You know, we have thousands of investors every day interacting with each other in this community, and more importantly, you have thousands of investors who span the entire gamut of the investor sophistication spectrum, all the way from novice beginning investors who are just trying to get their feet wet and learn what's happening in financial markets and the economy, to seasoned buy side pros, folks who are well known and very respected across the global buy side, interacting with each other in this chat on a daily basis. And I'm just in terms of the accomplishments that I'm most proud of in my life, this is certainly up there on that list. In terms of bringing together such a large community of thoughtful and like-minded individuals who are all focused on, maximizing upside capture in bull markets, minimizing downside capture in bear markets, and learning everything there is to know about how the economy and financial markets works. So there's a great community for learning. I really enjoy educating and being educated by the investors in this community. And it's just something that, again, we're really proud of in terms of developing this. And we're just, just super proud to bring it to you today. So I just want to highlight that, because that's just one of many examples on a daily basis of the kind of interaction and learning that you get here behind our paywall and inside of our community. So we'll wrap it up there. Darius Dale presenting our macro minute for Friday, May 24th, 2024. Everyone have a wonderful day out there. Best of luck. We'll catch you back here on Tuesday. It's Memorial Day on Monday. So everyone have a wonderful holiday weekend there. Cheers.